Let's walk down here on Bedford. Bedford is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful is my name. And that's Grace walking over there. Right? And we're both walking this lovely, beautiful night. So gorgeous. I'm gonna see if I can get near the water side again. So, can you get near the water side over there? Let's see. Something is passing. I think the train is passing. Right here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. We'll try to catch the train. Oh, there's the train. The train stopped. The train has stopped. There is the train. There is the train. And the moon is here. It's the moon. But the train has stopped. Right there. There's the train. Hey, Mr. Train Guy. Are you moving? You're not moving. My phone falling on out. I better move. That's the local locomotive here in Nova Scotia. We'll see if we can catch it again when it starts moving. These guys are on the night shift out there. See, there he is. He's gonna fix the train track. Fixing the train track right now. There he is. There he is. Waiting to get that train moving tonight. Ready to go. Now let's get going. Yes. Oh, there goes the train. There goes the train. There goes the train. It's gone. It's moving. That's the CN train right here in Nova Scotia. Getting ready to go pick up those containers. And it stopped again. Right there. And they're doing their magic. He's fixing the track. He is fixing the track. Where's they call him the train guy? That's the train guy, just fixed the track. Right here in beautiful Nova Scotia. Yep, that's the train. And they're gonna be on their way going just now. There he goes. There goes the train. There goes the train, right here in Nova Scotia Pier. On to pick up the containers and all over Canada. Boy, those trains are something else. So here we go. Hey Grace.
Hi.
We're having a wonderful time here in Nova Scotia. It's such a beautiful night.
Yes.
And we're roaming the streets. Yes, sir. There we go. There we go. Yep. This is Nova Scotia. Cut it?
Mm.
Cut it now?
Yeah.
Cut it?
Yep.
Okay.
And we're out.
And peace out.